Yes, I'm back again with another video. I'm back again with another hot story, hot video for you to view, for you to hear about it. Right. So, within the government of Zimbabwe, there's a man by the name Dr. Paul Tungwarara. Dr. Paul Tungwarara, a presidential investment advisor or presidential economic advisor who works alongside the president himself, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. So, this man, uh, so this is his profile. This is his background in simple words. Dr. Paul Tungwara is a presidential economic advisor for the president of Zimbabwe, a presidential investment advisor. So it can be economic or can be investment advisor for the president of Zimbabwe. So this man, he went public, he went on a public domain, he went public to review the news that the Nigerian billionaire and the Nigerian industrialist, Nigerian entrepreneur, Nigerian investor, Nigerian entrepreneur Aliko Dangote is coming to Nigeria. So he went on a public domain, he went public with this news, with this information to declare to Zimbabweans locally based or in foreign lands, in foreign countries, for them to know about what's happening in their country, what's happening in their nation. So Dr. Paul Tungwarara has declared that yes, it's formal, it's official, it's genuine, it's true that the Nigerian billionaire by the name Aliko Dangote, Nigerian industrialist, Nigerian entrepreneur, Nigerian businessman, or Nigerian investor, Mr. Aliko Dangote is coming to Zimbabwe in the near future. This man has been in constant communication with the president himself, Dr. Edim Nangagwa. They've been in direct contact, direct communication, or constant communication, talking and chatting with one another, especially on matters to do with economic growth of Zimbabwe, economic development of Zimbabwe, economic progress of this nation, Zimbabwe. So Dr. Paul Tungwara has officially declared this news that yes, it's true. Uh, at the Zimbabwean government, they are currently working on the logistical aspects of the coming of this man. This is what they are doing right now. They are working. They're working flat out on the logistics or the logistical aspects of the coming of this man, Mr. Aliko Dangote of Nigeria. He is a Nigerian. He is an entrepreneur. He is a businessman. He is an industrialist. He is a terrific investor. Yes, investing across Africa, doing business across Africa, doing a lot of investment across Africa. So he's a terrific industrialist, he's a terrific businessman, he's a terrific investor, he's a terrific entrepreneur. And now he's decided to come to Zimbabwe and work alongside the president in order to support him on the Vision 2030 agenda, in order to support him on the Zimbabwean open for business policy. Zimbabwe is open for business policy. So he wants to play a role, he wants to make his own contribution, he wants to play his part in the industrialization efforts in Zimbabwe, in the economic revitalization efforts in Zimbabwe. But he's got the money to do so. He's got the assets, the money, the resources, the connections, the power. Yes, the wealth of knowledge, wealth of understanding. He has got everything. He has got it. He has got it all. So this is the right man that the president needs, that the government of Zimbabwe needs in order to empower, develop, modernize, industrialize Zimbabwe to become an upper middle income economy by 2030. Remember, this has been the vision of the president for Zimbabwe to be financially and economically empowered, for Zimbabwe to be industrialized by 2030, for Zimbabwe to be modernized by the year 2030. This has been the gospel preached by the president, Dr. Edim Nangagwa, since he became the leader of this country back there in 2017, whereby he carved out the policy that says, or is still saying, Zimbabwe is open for business. Zimbabwe is open for business. Yes. So the coming of Mr. Aliko Dangote to invest in Zimbabwe, to do business in Zimbabwe, to do entrepreneurship in Zimbabwe, it aligns perfectly, it aligns rightly with the policy of the president that Zimbabwe is open for business. Zimbabwe has to be industrialized. Zimbabwe has to be modernized by the year 2030 to become an upper middle income country by the year 2030. So everything is working right in tandem with the policy of the president, with the initiative of the president, with the words of the President Dr. Idi Mnangagwa to see Zimbabwe modernized, to see Zimbabwe empowered, to see Zimbabwe industrialized and become an upper middle income country by the year 2030. Right. So this is what Dr. Paul Tungwarara, the presidential economic advisor, presidential investment advisor for the president, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa said, confirming this recent development, confirming all the efforts that are being put in place in order to ensure that the Nigerian billionaire and Africa's richest man, Mr. Aliko Dangote, finally steps his feet in Zimbabwe. Him and his business team, him and his business delegation to come and invest in whatever sector of the Zimbabwean economy. So Dr. Potungwara came out public, came out in the open to declare, to confirm, to substantiate everything that yes, is true, it's genuine, and they're currently working on that plan. They're currently working in that direction, and everything is pointing out in that direction. Right. What are your thoughts? You are a Zimbabwean, patriotic, passionate Zimbabwean. You are patriotic and you are passionate from your heart, from your soul, to see Zimbabwe develop, to see Zimbabwe empowered, to see Zimbabwe industrialized by the year 2030, according to the vision of the president, Vision 2030 agenda, according to the policy of the president. Zimbabwe is open for business, whereby he wants to lure a lot of foreign direct investment, FDI, foreign direct investment, coming into Zimbabwe, penetrating in whatever sector, whatever sphere of the Zimbabwean economy. So, what are your thoughts? What are your comments? What are your words on what I've said? Drop type right in the comment section. I'll come and see them out. I'll come and check them out. What do you think? What do you say about this issue? Yes. Otherwise, I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Peace out. Sharp.